Good evening, this is Jan. I'm here in my kitchen where I'm gonna make a beautiful dish from Thailand. It's gonna be shrimp salad. So here's what it's all about. These are the shrimps, the main ingredient. But first up, it's the sauce, which is also very important in this shrimp salad. For this sauce, I'm gonna use fish sauce. Quite a lot, like 1 or 2 tablespoons. Lime for extra acidity, because that's what you need in a salad, especially in Thailand where the climate is hot. It's tropical climate, well, different tropical climates really, so you really need some acidity from lime and everything. And for the spiciness, chili paste, quite a lot. Stir this up quite thoroughly. We're not there yet. Of course, chilies for even more spice. And I'm gonna put some black pepper, some white black pepper. And then, this is optional, some lao root. This has a more mellow kind of flavor. So, this is the sauce. I'm gonna stir it very well. Just look at this, a beautiful sauce for a salad. Now here I got some boiling water with a little bit of salt. I'm going to put the shrimps in. I'll let these shrimps boil for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes for maximum. They're already turning pink, as you can see. They're done. Never overcook your shrimps. That's a very important rule. I'm gonna transfer the shrimps to the sauce while they're still hot, so that they can infuse all the flavors. Beautiful smell of the shrimps. And then I will stir this very well so that the shrimps soak up all the flavors of the juicy sauce, all that spice, all that acidity. In the meantime, while my shrimps are absorbing all these liquids, all that flavor stuff, I'm gonna cut my vegetables. First up is the lemongrass, which is very important. Cut off the stems and make sure you take out the outer leaves, because they're very hard and you cannot eat them. Cut this as small as possible so that it's edible. This is very nice, it's very beautiful in the salad. This gives lots of extra flavor. I love this stuff. That fragrance, that is beautiful. That is lemongrass, that is the smell of lemon, lime, kind of, but it's a herb. Then spring onion. Cut off the ends. I love this stuff, spring onion. One of my favorite vegetables ever. use them in many dishes. And one shallot, you just cut this roughly, like this. It's time to build the salad. I'm going to use some arugula as a basis. That is enough. A couple of cherry tomatoes. And then of course the shallot, the spring onion, plus the lemongrass, and of course, last but not least, the beautiful shrimps and the sauce. I'm gonna put this on top. Sauce as well. I almost forgot to put on the coriander. Just a little bit, not too much really, for extra flavor. And a little bit of basil. Why not? So, this looks perfect to me. This is Thai shrimp salad. Now that is juicy shrimp with all the salty flavor. From the fish sauce especially. Beautiful with these vegetables. Especially that lemongrass, the typical Thai flavor. That is nice. Some cherry tomato. I love shrimps. They are my favorite seafood of all times. They got so much flavor of their own. And then in the combination with all this stuff, beautiful. Almost everything in one bite. Spiciness, acidity, freshness. This is good. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.